Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable the Face ID to unlock your locked notes on iPhone. So today in front of me is the iPhone 12 with the iOS 17.5.1, but it really doesn't matter which iPhone you have or which version of the iOS you have, it's all going to work the same on every iPhone. So what you want to do is to open Settings, then swipe down and click on Notes. Once you are here, you want to go to the password, and if you have set up the Face ID earlier, it should from factory be to use device passcode and use Face ID passcode. How to use custom passwords, so the different passwords to the notes, then your iPhone passcode to unlock your iPhone, how to set it up, how it works. We have another video on our channel, so be pleased to search for that video and get to know everything about it. So if you have feature to use Face ID unlock for your notes switched on, now you can unlock your notes by just going with the Face ID. So let's now unlock it. As you can see, now Face ID is working. So this is it. This is how you can unlock those notes with the Face ID. If you don't want to have this feature on, so to disable it, you want to go to this settings, go passwords, and just turn off the Face ID for notes. And now you need to enter your password or the passcode. It depends whether you have this setting or this settings. If you have this, just enter your iPhone passcode. If you have this, you need to enter your notes password. So I'm just going to type my notes password, and now from this time I'm no longer going to be able to unlock notes with the Face ID, only with the notes password, as you can see right now, and then lock it. So this is it. This is how you can manage those settings. If you want to turn on the Face ID again, just switch it on, and again you're going to be asked to type your notes password. So just type it and voila, this is it. So thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye!